Hi everyone, let's do angel messages for the 20th of July, which is the Sunday. And we have sadness. Oh, that's not really a good card to start your day with. And healing in the now. I feel, obviously, from these two cards, you may be navigating some difficult emotions, but at the same time, know that healing energy is available to you. Your angels are available to you. I think you're being prompted to take a break from life as you know it. It's not I don't think it's a new event that is causing you to feel upset, even though it could be. We can never predict life, right? But right now, with the cards and the trees there, I'm getting that you need to take a break from life as you know it. Sometimes just going out on a trip or going somewhere helps, right? Because I do see that you do need to take a break, energetically, spiritually, physically, metaphysically, whatever you want to call it. You do need a break. Your angels know that you do need a break, and they are helping you attract it. Yeah, I feel some news coming in, maybe a plan that uh, you've been trying to make may come true, or you may spend considerable amount of time finalizing things for that. But I do see that nature, the natural world, is available to you. I see a host of new news coming to you. Yeah, we have the Jack of Spades, we have the Three of Pentacles, we have the King of Pentacles. So I am getting that maybe you're getting a good news at your work or something, or maybe if you had a dream for a long time and if you've been saving money, maybe it's time to spend that money and realize that dream that you've been having for so long. Because I feel that if you ask for support from natural world is available. If you ask for in the help from universe, that help is available. And I'm also seeing that someone maybe is looking back at you. This may be someone else is sadness whilst they think about you, ruminate about you. Or this may be you thinking about someone and feeling upset about something. But sometimes know that we just need to catch a break, and that break is available to you. Yeah, take spend some time with yourselves, spend some time with the universe to attract new opportunities that could make you happy, because there will be opportunities that will make you happy. We have a lot of birds here, and we have the Page of Swords there, and we have the sadness card here. Even in the sadness card we have a rainbow, right? I feel the earth itself is going through a lot of changes, which is messing up with a lot of people's energy. It's reflecting in our general uh, peace of mind. It's reflecting in our happiness as a human race, apparently. And that is because we have made mistakes in our past that has brought us to this point. And it's maybe as a collective we're looking back at what we've done, but now that we are beginning to realize uh, um, the intensity of our you know actions, and intensity of the mistakes that we have made, and the consequences that could come, that could happen as a result. It's time for us to begin healing. It's never too late. It may be too late to stop a few events from unfolding. It may be too late to maybe something to stop something that is right, that is happening as you live your day, or as you live your week, or as you live your month. But it's never too late to start the healing process, and someone has to start it. Because if you're waiting for a period of time when everything would be all good and life would be all perfect and we would all be in harmony with one another, that time hasn't come since consciousness first existing on the planet, since humans became aware. And I don't think that time's coming anytime soon. No one is coming to save you. You get to save you, and you get to be the person, right, that the world needs. The chance to become that person is now. I am getting seeing that you will find opportunities to make that difference in the world in your own way. right? But there's only so many times that the universe can connect with you. Hey, this is something that needs to change. Hey, that is something that needs to change. Something needs to change, and you know it. And it's been uh, a long time coming, and it's time for you to finally start making those changes that would improve the quality of your life, that would improve the quality of life in general, because the time to do that is now, because you can be happy. You don't need to be sad, you don't need to be upset, you don't need to have the rest of the planet working towards the same goal, but you need to start somewhere and start now, because it is time. That's the main message, even though that was intense. That's what I have for you for Sunday. Let's connect again on Monday, which would be 21st of July.